Today we have the 2018 Nissan Qashqai. This vehicle has done just over 45,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have automatic headlights and our keyless ignition. On the right, we have cruise control, voice control, and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, on the left we can access our menu, map, and audio. And on the right we have our 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control. This includes heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of our panoramic roof.